What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of digital channels to promote products and services to potential customers. This includes websites, search engines, social media, email, and other digital platforms. Digital marketing also encompasses content marketing, influencer marketing, and more. Using digital marketing, businesses can create a better customer experience. By understanding customer behavior, businesses can tailor their messaging and offers to better meet the needs of their target audience. This helps to build trust and loyalty, resulting in more sales and better customer satisfaction. Why use digital marketing? Digital marketing is an effective way to reach a large audience. It allows businesses to target their ideal customers and tailor their messaging and offers to better meet their needs. Digital marketing also helps businesses to measure their success, as they can track the performance of their campaigns and adjust their strategies accordingly. Digital marketing is also cost-effective. Compared to traditional marketing methods, digital marketing is much cheaper and can reach a wider audience in a shorter amount of time. This makes it a great option for businesses that are looking to maximize their marketing budget. Types of digital marketing. There are many different types of digital marketing, including search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. Each of these strategies has its own unique benefits and can be used to reach different types of customers. For example, SEO is a great way to increase website traffic and visibility. Content marketing can be used to build trust and loyalty with customers. Social media marketing can help to engage customers and build relationships. And email marketing can be used to nurture leads and drive conversions. Advantages of digital marketing. Digital marketing offers many advantages over traditional marketing methods. It is cost-effective, allows businesses to reach a wide audience, and can be tailored to better meet the needs of customers. Digital marketing also helps businesses to measure their success, as they can track the performance of their campaigns and adjust their strategies accordingly. In addition, digital marketing is more engaging than traditional marketing. It allows businesses to create content that is interactive, creative, and engaging. This helps to build trust and loyalty, resulting in more sales and better customer satisfaction. Best practices for digital marketing. When it comes to digital marketing, there are some best practices that businesses should follow. This includes creating a comprehensive digital marketing plan, setting clear goals and objectives, understanding customer behavior, and testing different strategies. Businesses should also focus on creating high-quality content that is engaging and relevant to their target audience. In addition, businesses should use analytics to measure the success of their campaigns. This will help them to identify areas of improvement and adjust their strategies accordingly. Finally, businesses should stay up to date on the latest digital marketing trends and technologies, as this will help them to stay ahead of the competition. Conclusion. Digital marketing is an effective way to reach a large audience and promote products and services. It is cost-effective, allows businesses to tailor their messaging and offers to better meet customer needs, and can be used to measure success. By following best practices and staying up to date on the latest trends, businesses can maximize the effectiveness of their digital marketing campaigns. Digital marketing is an invaluable tool for businesses of all sizes. By understanding customer behavior and using the right strategies, Businesses can create a better customer experience and build trust and loyalty, resulting in more sales and better customer